Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the always-on display functionality in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Realme X7 Pro device, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers that to do an in-depth review on this always-on display, what is present in the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see, friends, is there any difference in the always-on display when you compare with the previous version, or is there any additional features got added or not? And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to follow me regularly and do check the links in description for the playlist of this Realme X7 Pro. So there you can find so many other interesting videos, and in case if you want to know more details about the device, make sure to comment below and ask me the video which you want me to do on this mobile phone. So you'll find this always on display functionality in the display settings. So once you click that option, so if you enable, you do get this kind of options here. So you can see the clock, date, battery notifications as well. So you can actually see the third party, all the applications icons if you get any notifications. So you'll be displaying under the battery icon. So right now I did not have any notification, but definitely if you have the notification, you will be receiving that icon as well. So right now you can see here, friends, this is the icon which is not that visible at the moment. So I don't think there is any other method to increase the brightness at the moment because of this always on display. So I'm trying to find that option, but unfortunately I'm not able to do that option, increasing the brightness on using on the always on display. But in the always on display, you won't get any other extra benefits. For example, you cannot change the layout of the always on display. It's completely fixed. Only this this kind of icon and this kind of text only you will be getting, and there is no other option to change different themes. So which I would be very much interested to test different themes in this mobile phone. I'm not sure why this is a same interface for very long time. So since then they did not even add anything in the first always on display features in the Realme X. The below options are not there. These options are not there. In the later on with the update, all these options has been enabled, and from then to till now there is no other extra features got added into this always on display functionality. But if you compare with other companies like POCO and Redmi, they are doing very good, very much futuristic options they are trying to integrate into their always on display functionality. And this is the area where this Realme software and UI is lags very old. So I personally feel I don't like using this always on display at all. So there is another alternative third-party applications which I'll be using every time. So if you're interested, I'll try to make a video on that, which is 1000% more options and more flexible than this kind of default always on display functionality. So this is a quick review on this always on display functionality, friends. And one more thing is that there's an option to add the text as well. In case if you want to add the text, you can add the text as well, but you won't get any time or any percentage. Only the text will be visible all the time. So this is another thing you can customize. As you can see, if you turn on any other option, this will be disconnected. So you can use only either those or customized text option. So this is a quick in-depth review on this always on display of this Realme X7 Pro device. And thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly and do check the links in description as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.